Is your website really secure? Most sites get hacked because of simple mistakes, not advanced attacks. Here are 5 critical cybersecurity mistakes you need to fix today. Mistake number 1, weak passwords. Using weak or reused passwords is dangerous. Fix it, use strong, unique passwords and enable 2FA everywhere. Mistake number 2, no SSL/HTTPS. No SSL means data can be intercepted, and users lose trust. Fix it, install SSL and force HTTPS on your website. Mistake number 3, outdated software. Old plugins and themes are easy targets for hackers. Fix it, keep WordPress, plugins, and themes updated and remove unused ones. Mistake number 4, no backups. No backups means total data loss if something goes wrong. Fix it, set up automatic offsite backups and test them. Mistake number 5, no security monitoring. If you're not monitoring, you won't know you're under attack. Fix it, use a firewall, limit login attempts, and monitor activity. Fix these 5 mistakes today and protect your website from most attacks. Like, subscribe, and stay secure.